Hey, good morning. Yeah, it's your boy Nigel. Yeah, man. It's a beautiful day. Smile at the world. Yeah, man. We're there in California, you know. So I just want to show you guys real quick, you know, what I kind of do to get my day started. First thing I like to do is come out here in the garden, you know. This kind of reminds me a lot of being back home. So I got some flowers here because my sister-in-law, she loves flowers a lot. You know, so I planted some for her, but I still have to grow some food same way because we have to grow what to eat, you know. So I got some tomato there, you know, I got some garlic there. Some, you guys call green onion, but we call scallion in Jamaica, right there. Yeah. We got some squash there and some tomato over there, some collard greens, some kale, and some cabbage over there. Yeah, man, so I just want to share with you guys real quick, you know. Yeah, not California, enough respect.